Ineno chuny onagi TV. Chuny onagi TV. Adundo Jaluo. Ineno chuny onagi TV. Chuny onagi TV. Adundo Jaluo.
Na kama nanya kura mgajuanga kautul makende marua kikendo italo na mara rio kama bende kurwa gwemba kura mgajuanga kamara mara mentira kautul makende marua kichendono mara nge sigana mara kama bende wakalone kata chendono titario chakre kata sario nyaka sangun mutino ka bende kawuno watimu limbe dalano mabende kurwa dego koda wadego mbaka chel koda wendo maduong mabende wanagodo kandi chun onagi TV medondeni Oguche Benbow lunguni the greatest man of all mabende wadego koda mbaka ni to sigana mara chalo nade to chako kanye to sanien kanye to mangonyi kura mgajuang nikech bende gima bende ngeni en bende ejal mabende no were kata kachel koda Musa Nindo jangulu mara umabende ni Musa Juma wagadego koda mbaka chel marume wangi matop ni to chalo nade komora marama intira kautul makene mondo ibed machigni kendi bed kod wakandi nyakang watai bodo ni kaponi ni penjo mora to bende oyeni onde mbi wakachani to pachi chalo nade matai chendoni enan Steve James aka Nyakwar nyorenyo wan arwakini machigni e chendo mar nge Seganda koka manoto wa kautul makene mondo mi arwake chalo nade berber
adina ber
alini kidimo fine kabisa
ero kamano kumchopo chima mabera yenya
ero kamano abago ero kamano mdonga nyako mbedo kodi one on one achel kachiel wawinji yemana kiweri mana ge Musa Juma ni ke joma ng'eny be poko ng'e ni to kara Oguche Benbow ni manga machalo nade
we kata wana Musa Juma kaya nyocha yujo ko we age Fredi Kolela chako we hosegolo ngono mo kendo mo ketu kende YouTube miluongo ni Oguche Benbow we mo miluongo ni Bernard Oguche
Bakoro Oguche Benbow
Bernard Oguche Benbow and my full name Anil Bernard Otieno Oguche. Benbow and my name Manomia when I used to play football in Nairobi. And Woodnyakach.
In Woodnyakach?
Kabodo. To history na kadwa mi nonyuola Nairobi. Tukanyuola Nairobi nonyuola hospital miluongo ni Pumwani. Yeah. Then achapo school Nairobi 1971. Emadia St. Michael Primary School. Then Wadak Nairobi and the mama and my siblings. Then unfortunately come 1973 my dad passed. Then that time I was around 9 years.
9 years.
Yeah. Then
Mano udukano untindo maromona.
Oduano wantindo aburu. Yeah. They won 5 girls to give 3 boys, my brothers. To Saliko wadu mokoseto. Like my 2 brothers have gone and my 2 sisters. Yeah. So now I have 3 sisters remaining and myself. Then
Baba neja doko sama nagira.
Baba daga chiel ya Catholic.
Wewe garionga.
Iliyo gari soma Catholic chakua mana that rule. Kwa daga chiel mama na kenje maponi ngimanya sana.
Amen.
Yeah. Kaito after that time we could not make it in Nairobi. Then we had to go back to Nyakach. Yeah. So I went back to Nyakach in 1975, and I joined a school called Kabondo Primary School. And there I met my friends like Asaka Nyangara, who is works in the World Food Program. I met William Ochieng. I met many guys. Obala, who is the deputy principal at Starai Boys, and many more friends. Moko Kanyara Ngekumaginchiere. Then I proceeded, then achieved CPE, then I went back to Nairobi. Back to Nairobi, now problem starts.
Problem starts in Nairobi.
after CPE.
After CPE, makuri work dala
Koro wuok dala. Koro onge fee. Koro iluongi e skunde, lakini koro onge pesa ma ichulogo fee. Nikech my mom ne onge pesa. She was she's uneducated, mine machon ka. Koro ne onge ko nyalo afford fee mar
mama
nyaka no. Omiyo wacho ni ma an okikano mokendo kano.
May not be nyakano.
Yeah. Yeah, then let's leave that part there. Then
to baba netimang.
Baba to netiyo casino. Netiyo nene casino hotel na chef. Ko kumalo tiye for a very long time until he went away. Yakana otoko. Kaito kanuma dok Nairobi. Kane fiyo kilo tabu. I tatako kompira. Estate. Then kwa gompira estate wacha kuti mag Eastland kama nadake Uhuru estate to be particular. Then wagompira wanya yudo
sama kuri ya dala kuri di Nairobi kuro ka Nairobi ka kuri dage.
Nairobi nadake odwa mane baba wenwa.
Okay.
Uhuru estate.
Uhuru estate.
To much less affordable, look at rent in 300. But it was a lot of money then. Yeah. Right, so wagompira. Then one time, around 1986, there's a company called NCR. Gilmar in charge of all the ATMs in the country. They said they had an opening, then they employed me. They employed me as a clerk.
Maka isiti ku school, secondary ku sepodi.
Podi.
Podi school chandika di mine from adik.
Mine from 1.5. They say to teach. Then I joined NCR. When I joined NCR as a clerk, I found learned people in that place. I found 50% were white.
50% were white.
Yeah. And other Kenyan engineers from the university and many people. Then I was posted into the engineering department in NCR Kenya in Ajip House. Then after working as a clerk, then I enrolled into NCR Computer Science Institute. In that institute, institute kaya doje school mai some computer, tunasoma moko miluongo ni programming. Yeah, like a Unix operating system. When I joined, there was no DOS. What computer is? There was no DOS. We used to have CPM when we started this computer. There were no personal computers around. There were computers around the country. Then those people sponsored me and I trained. That was 87, 88, 89. Come 1990, they employed me permanently.
Wow. And
when they employed me, we started deploying the ATMs. You see the ATMs around the country. It was called MoneyLink. Then MoneyLink. And they get machine moko magulo pesa. Kwa wale mwana wachaku kilogie penga.
Okay.
Wale mwana puonje wakati yo kodi. Yeah. Kwa wale mwana wacherugi kama wale lungani MoneyLink. Kani wewe nyaku mwana dasa. Kani unene kichope kani video. Kani video launched. Then kwa sisi kumano endo kwa usendika permanent kwa ati yo NCR. Then kaka wabi ni somo. Then come 1992. Ayodo niluongi ni telex. Ne fax onge. Fax machine. Or email onge. Then ayodo telex kwa Dayton, Ohio, USA. Nikechika set bedukanya for those 2 years I've come to learn the asenga yoga theory computer. Kwa na wacha ko install moko vai tiyo miti moni call management system. Maji kaogo simu sama jo company ni kitabu mal computer. Ane manai alose. Ko newa wa maintain NCR. Then kasi muno work US.
Kiwa ini mane lost tendeni manone ujuzi mari.
Manone the first one in Africa. Nikitine o magodo. Monda some, monda implement. For the entire region.
Wow.
So I lost it. Kuso magodo lost kaka negedu for 2 years. That is 91 and 92. Kuso cha kutiyo kama na wati yeno endo NCR engineering department. Then ora Côte d'Ivoire.
Côte d'Ivoire, Mano Congo.
Mano Ivory Coast. That is 92. Then ka achupu Côte d'Ivoire to the problem called management system. The NCR is worldwide.
Koro ogoli Kenya kai di Côte d'Ivoire.
Manabia konyi. Koro gabi kuchuleta konyi maber. Ma computer gilotiyo magi chakoran the management system called management system. Then ulisa mke kadogo Kenya.
Ni okay, ichake do Kenya.
Akigadogi.
Wiziki kido Kenya.
Abi Ghana. Ni Ghana benigi tabu.
Ghana benigi tabu elen.
NCR Ghana. Then from Ivory Coast to Ghana, it's like an hour. Then I love Ghana. Then at the office where they're having the tabu going to then I lost already. Kasi chiyo. Moko nigi moko masort simple do.
Tunoka gia.
Yeah. I think look at me. I think look at 10 minutes. Then I stayed there for Dalaweo. And I to Abigo, Kenya. That's 92. The following week I was in my office, in my place of work. I didn't have an office that time. But I was working in the same general office.
Kama na ikaro kidi di Côte d'Ivoire chake di Ghana chulto nigi chuli mabe.
Kama donjo NCR nigi chaka 90 shillings per day.
90 shillings per day.
Bayo 96. Kaito kani chichi kuchigo then I think by the time when I went Ghana I think my salary was like 4,025
from 90.
That is 92.
From 92. Work from 90 shillings. Or mano manage 90 per day.
Yeah, Kaitoka after some time, but you put 92 most and they come up there, I got 4,025. And 25 I think. But a lot of money that time. A lot.
A lot of money.
Then Kadugo then Hatio NCR, the normal work. Kaito Moti More, they do a penny pokunga you have computer to you. After a week inside, you have to get out to Ethiopia. Then Timoreka Mano for 10 years. So from 92 Nyakasani.
Timoreka Mano, you been in Ethiopia 10 for 10 years?
I've been in Ethiopia for a week. Can you go? I check with the everywhere. I was going to Egypt and Russia and Cairo and South Africa and Nigeria. I wish Manda Kiel, this is the passport I'm using now is the 6th passport, which all the 5 are full.
Wow.
Because now you got chance to go to entire world.
Entire world.
Sometimes I could be in Morocco and I think I'm in Tunisia. Kaya to wabi ni mekamano. Kaya tachio NCR for about 16 years. Then now only work. The bio penient they are here. Then I better transfer. Oh, because I can teach my with Ugindege or Kabikao. Nikian Kai Pinmo or Kabitim. I had nothing more.
Gomba te gomba mi itimu mi Rome.
Then after that, I better transferred no or Ethiopia. They would set the ATM, Nigionge God. Pesa machine magulo pesa. Neonge. Kwa biku noendo, mawa set code in a bell, ma wenga gitiyo. Kwa kanyanga gitiyo by the money dalumana Ethiopia, so on this other side, now Rojoga America. Yeah, Nikechore that time my sister in the US.
Oh, your sister in the US?
In US, and Jane Odesi. Colonist, Canada, around 99 to a bit called it when there was a nice opportunity man tino nyalo progress ko maber kai to injili to nyisa ni kare wache monde nitendugi kadu Kenya then that kama kuna wachako this thing of immigration ko Ethiopia after 2 years I resigned
from NCR
and joined my
sister
and my family.
Kuro Samir resign gi pesa mabende kuro ni chuli mang'eny kabisa na odokise odo tich America.
Oyudo ka kambi matiyo ne NCR then part of it was like an AT&T then there was some connection. When the pokayoti but there.
Idea there. Watu liwe liwalo
pesa chande ma gume ya chande kuro beda but I've been with a joint family because already my wife and my children. Tamba vile kaka bano yeah
pesa benindie
pesa to tabu aina then kachopo I stayed dangi nyamenua for some time again nitenda then after some 3 months I relocate I got Bomatin 1 bedroom nitenda nene ndo basement to daka then that was America 203 to settle, but I've been going there many times before.
But 203 media to settle.
Yeah. Then Kachopo, US, I sit down, I settle a beach, I get to Nintendo school. Then at my current job, not you, I can say manual job. Yeah, at your manual job, you get in your Kenya, America, you want to be a professional and start working. Who knows you? You don't even know that. You don't know how to do it. Because the accent. The accent, you take my bag. You Kisumu, you Msoma, I listen to you. You help yourself when you build the culture. Then when I adapted the American life and we got my green card, then I joined AT&T. But after working for manual job for about 3 years, I joined IBM for about a year. Then I joined AT&T. So I've been now with AT&T for 14 years.
14 years.
It is an American telephone and telecommunication company. It's the biggest company of telecommunication in the world.
In the world.
Yeah. We control websites. We control www, the tunnel, the fiber cable. We control a lot. But those are company details. But we are proud for AT&T. Then after we settled, then because I settled my bill, then the chapo paro to America kaindi unge raha yo Kenya daka kwa unge katamana thum unge jiobet
yani jigina busy
gina teach then ko chopo around 208 or 207 with my friend Paula.
Mano kechi wacho ni settle America 2003 koro man after 4 years.
Yeah, but I settled in Allentown, Pennsylvania.
Koro after 4 years, mano 2007.
Yes.
Koro kubiro ge paro.
Yeah, kubiro ge paro with my friend Paul Alwala. Then we sat and we involved my friend Doko Dote. And Beno Dote was still alive. And who else? My friend Peter Ndachi. Sorry. My friend Peter Ndachi and others. Then we brought Banakadori.
Banakadori kure mana mokuongo do America.
Yeah. Udindo biwe tege. Tujoka kapasala gini. Gingi biwe diaboro. Biro wakelo gini. They got to Mabel, were they all states, and we really appreciated it. You get the team Mabel, whether I call you 3 months.
3 months. Koro gini mora jito gini uraka to ji.
Mora ji nikechukua ni wapungu mukoloda koda mukoda galwala mukoda gidok.
Oda ka koro bende julugo moko mana America.
Wasicha ko go together.
Koro mabende yuai
Yuaji julugo ko chako nikechukua be tum ko keloji together nikechukua ba ko tumluwe go America.
Tumluwe America.
Go live
America.
Bacha cha udije na gocho. Yeah. Then we bet kodi. Then udindo gini gini giduogo jite. Onge ng'at ma oduogo.
Udindo gini duogo jite.
Kaito 208 wakelo dola kabari.
208 dola kabari.
Dola kabari ubiro gi jamarachi. Ubiro gi
jamarachi mulumbi
jamarachi. Ubiro gi Fredi Kolela. Ubiro gi Oko Ndolo. Ubiro gi Omari, the late Omari. Yeah. Ubiro gi Beach. The beach kwa kwa no.
Ikwano dola kabari. Ikwano
Hotel ni mbele, ibu kecil kemudian. Hey.
Eneno chuny onagi TV. Chuny onagi TV. Adundo Jaluo. Eneno chuny onagi TV. Chuny onagi TV. Adundo Jaluo.
Akwe ujokanya na monde ujoin wa monde wa support Onagi TV. This is our new thing coming in the estate or in the county. So please join us to support our friends who we have worked with them for long. Jokanya nam Maiji and Bernardo Gucci or Benbo. And mane Musa Juma Ovela to Novela Ndalo mane I invite into the States in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Go Musa Manuel Okinyo ko wachoni adonjo peni US no wakadira oguche jana kat ngamalongo sana bende omini eji festa gitambo bende Tom Juma magusiepe Musa Madongo mage mani okele US Onagi TV egiwa masani mwadu wa promote kojo tulwa te Donjuru we Onagi TV ubo winjo ngolo mag Jowa mag Musa Juma mag everybody ma play wa Eilulan Dunyo Onagi TV adundo Jaluo sani koro adundo wakae ndiye mamondo wa ritre
Eneno chuny onagi TV. Chuny onagi TV. Adundo Jaluo.
Kamano nyakura magajuanga kautul makende marua kikendo itolono mara Rio kama bende kurwagwa mbaka chinro en mar sigana mara kama bende wankandi kachel koda elongo ni the Big Papa Oguche Benbo mabende nower kachel koda Musa Juma the late mabende nower kachani Oguche Benbo nonge ko wer kacha maber kabisa do mod ngek na matin jo pinya ka ngeni to bende Oguche bende nyalo wero wende dire Papa Oguche bende nyalo wero wende ni maber kabisa miyo mana matin to gatwa dhi mbele
Ngeni tu Musa Juma ni webo wewe sana wabichiko
aber kabisa koro ewa gomba kacha wana kaka bende koro gikwa bende timo ne jothumbe utero kacha mabende kono wateo kacha kachel kod ilongo ni John Junior mabende kono na bira America kapoko de penjo moroda penjo ni to apart from John Junior nugi gi John Junior ko support don gi lek makelo jomoko kindo.
In fact what gibadu waro I have not contacted John yet. I'll call him. If possible, to when you around August, to go when busy this schedule to have a look for a very new young band, yeah, to promote, yeah. If he's around, we'll do it because that one is money making, yeah. But when busy, we'll get a young band, Morovia Music Fest in August to promote
Nitiere jologo mabende nyalo gombo ng'eyo ni to ang'o gini mabende kaka mong'eyo mondo mi okaw band wach ni ma band ni is qualified mondo mi obi omor ji Amerika. Gino mong'eyo sana.
Buon band ema wuoyogo discipline.
Discipline.
Yeah, nikech kuyo chonde everything is there. To kin discipline to ok nyalre. Ko nyaka wuon band select jok mong'eyo ni gin discipline, ok ng'at moro madhi madha kong'o go ko awe ai.
Pado wazungu.
Pado yani en koro paro. Yeah. En kama band yiero jok maber ma nyalo present nikech ibie thum. Seche moko luongi kama ambassador nitie. Nyaka bed ng'at ma oikore maler ma nyalo present. Wanya timo ok rokni. Yeah.
Erokamano, chako nyiso kachaka tilo mokwongo ni jogo mabende nodong' loka nitiere koro kaka bende gisekelo kacha kony dala koni uplift their homes, giloso gwenge sulwe koro neno in kaka papa Oguche Benbow nyisa ni to koro dala koro Kenya kanya kach kandie gigo mabende koro timo ne community mondo me koro chalo mabende koro konyo community chalo nade bende nitiere migepe moko bende timo mondo mi konyo dala kata mana jo Kenya apart from koro tero ji loka.
Konyo jodala wa o jogwengwa nikech mane my clan.
Your clan.
I think they will have to answer that question. Nikech I have done a lot. Asetimo mang'eny. Asegedo ne mon ma chuogi otho. Nyaka karwani nitie a very big problem ndalo oro. Pi onge. Mine dhi umbo saa 8 otieno saa 10. To gikalo e bath soda. Then no can happy. Kana dhi soko kama giumbe tana yudo line. To gi ilo kube maji. Yeah. I felt bad. Na duogo dala ma wacho no. Pesa en gimi manyo. Then the guy came to know me he said borehole will cost 2 million. Na kunyo negi borehole. Na kunyo borehole just next to my home, but a bit further, but next to my home. Kaito borehole no akunyo mobelo kanyo maber for some time. Then odo cha kubiro. Man, gimana neno. Ando kantiere na America but picha maniro na. Jalande nyapong kaji dikau pi 24/7.
Jitumba.
Nikech koro pi ongi schools
be koro
schools, everything, children, timo gik moko, yani mane koro pi, koro ne access. Ne koro kama ginya yude pi, kaka ndalo makoth chweto pintie. Koro ndalo chak koro ne koro mane pi mane ji tiyo godo. Then there's a guy here, it's my neighbor. He did a very good thing, but I don't know what he does in a gig in my life now. Ilunge ni kuja. Ebe bath dala na kanyo ene. Ebe chako kunyo moro ne joko. Modako on the other side. Kaito kanisa, Catholic Church. Omela galo kanisa dewe matek. Okurum.
Arambe wang.
Yeah, agalo kanisa sani chigni rumo, but it has taken me years. Yeah. School, one of the school. Moagero, one get about 109 children, and up to 36. We feed them lunch every day for the last 4 years for primary in Tindo. Kwa hiyo kan Tindo I ringe public school to Biroga. To ba to foga gero mabe lakini pongo nekichiemo.
Mkoro ma private school.
And public and school.
Luka ka public koro timo feeding program.
Now we are 36. I think we are I think 7 yeah. Kolo gimakelo nyithindo nikichiyo dichiemo. Nyakiyo ngene lunch time. Kolo gimatimoga wangiyoga bando mang'eny me and my wife. To wangiyoga Uganda. Sometimes in Chile, so manegi mawa konyo godo to nikech this is my home, my church to my school.
Koro maguluri, this is guluri.
Yeah, so gilua ko you can't have that good house and you don't have church. Yeah, ko magi more compliments then we do a lot. They know. Yeah, ginge kendi.
Benditire un kaka jogo mabende koro odak America kocha kaka joluo riwruok moko riwruoge joluo kaka osiepe gino mabende ofomo mabende charity kaka
nitiere wantie gi miluongo ni associations nitie jo Siaya nigi margi jo
Siaya man America
jo Wabei jo Nyakach gintiere kaka wantiere wan gi Nyakach Association US chairman wa Neno Sodera. I am the secretary.
You're the secretary.
And the late Maurice Ojuang was our treasurer. Mantiere gi school Nyabondo. So wantiere gi association makagi moti more we come together to watch all pesa to ikonyo any problem we have. Bed ninga to nie jela, bed ninga to tho. Then nitie achiel moro wo jolugo te. Miluongo ni Akia.
Ilongo ni Akia.
Akia en Kenya Akia any Kenyan in
something Kenyan in America.
Yeah. Ko mano jok madwa donjo ko chun go ngato. Lakini moko gi endi to wakitu gi ni mo de donjo nikech ka inja gwengwa to gi moti mi to wale mwa bisafa. So afadhali wagi so ji mo join together. Kaito ji mo do baby. Kaito one gi association marwa mar Allentown. Ile Kenya community in the northeast. Ko Kenya community in the northeast ene mo invite gaji. Nikechene ma embassy ngi.
Ma embassy ngi.
Yeah. Because now we have been trusted. We have done this for years. Ko manema one coin mawami ojo Kenya. Mobiro, we welcome them. Come to my house. It's not full.
Welcome them.
For any woman, if you land in America and you have problem, call us.
Ngato rigo mngeo nikech nitiro jogo mabende koro setemo through green card, iluongo ni green card. Abendo setemo application mang'eny gi nitire bende e kambe iluongo ni Watapeli. Jok mabende koro wunda ni kel wadhi teri America kacha cha. To yudo ka bende mabende tiche kene manyalo wacho nang'o. Yo maber ma ng'ato donjo ga America.
Yo maber ma America. We give this Watapeli. We ngato invite.
Yeah,
on Barua Mabel, all the youth school, all the meeting. Okay, any other way, unless a killing out of the other vessel. Naked to invite all the Rus Manyafini, all the graduation, maybe 100% of Kashua Dibo me visa. Naked came to Julu among Ngachi ande anybody train to 20. Ogobe train mo mi.
O ngachi bodo train mo 20.
Yeah. Ko give kacha. Nike chonge onge interview questions prepared. Okay. And then it's your personality.
Magoli yoko.
Magoli yoko. Nike chen ubu mangi this how you will respond. Kaki buwe kwa the one to one. Kubujaji. Lakini onge ni set of questions na dey penjongane. Emi so joluo en manani kitemo mi yudo to pod bagni ni yonge some help. We'll help you. Kata kawa ngado di ticket. Ngibo tiyo ibo chulo.
Ibo chulo.
Yeah. Dogo.
Kamano.
Yeah.
Kakapo katiko nitire ngato ka ngato bedo ga gi lekne. Mabende dio gombo no bede obed gengi mane. Na neno kacha kane be ninyiso ni chako school to no kitieko iwacho ni form 1 gi news kato jojo kawi kane dongo bende ne gi lek moro ma bende ne gombo mondo bedi profession moro mane gombo sana
kana Vincent Michaels to the trailer moro ochumba thodwa to da wacho ni me I want to be a mechanic maloso gini an engineer. But that is what came up because now I'm fixing things.
You are still an engineer, but on another field.
Yeah, and the very good thing, last year I joined the AT&T Engineers, Professional Engineers Club in the US. At least we upgrade ourselves. Yeah, a school is very good. What is very important is discipline. En luor toge ibedo luor ibedo jachir onge gima nya tami onge office mo kinya donje Ng'at man gi masters chande gi ng'at mantiere gi salary 7 kata salary from 4 girom gima onge go ng'at mo minyalo cha man gi just class ability en gi wisdom moingo ng'at man gi masters mariembo boda cha nikech ng'acha utamo maybe wisdom ne utamo ritiyogo mondo o uplift nikech ing'en ching moro ma asomo kuing'eni
go book and give pride
I can get what I want to that ya 7 cha ando kasomo nyaka many giteko that's why they excel, that's why they go because they have to push not with certification the education certification but they push with the professional certification which they gain like once we gain at NCR computer science yeah, because if that guy with masters cannot fix Unix system but I can fix Unix
you
system
can fix Unix
and
system.
make the bank work would you hire
awinji
that's the point I give young people just go to school but be open-minded
gombo ni maduong' mabende digomba koro timo gima ni maduong' mabende kata kiwacho ni koro kare taya to mae gima nagombo timo mabende asetimo king'iyo gima maber kabisa nitie gino mabende gombo mondo mi achieve though yes achieve mang'eny koro but gino mabende koro digombo mondo mi tim
gima wase achieve ma I'm happy of kare taya in America which I will do after some years we wabowe kwase timo gik mang'eny to in my retiring life we have all this ango kendo tije siko to sike
ni nyiso wa investment magi mara chiel mabende siko
oh my god investment we have this big hotel here
they longo ni the Bowls Hotel
yeah,
the Bowls Hotel
yeah. Tile kaindi I have one tile land Jans school ka Butte Airport ka we have like 2 acres of land there Kanailaka we have land just next to him there we have like about 4 acres in Kitengela.
Wow.
We have several lands in Nyakach. I don't know even where. And the good thing, I leave all those. The only thing that I'm proud is to have tried to have 2 homes in America. Because that is it always the American dream. But you see, God helped me to pass one and get 2.
So you have 2 homes in America.
Yeah.
In Giputhi, America.
1641 West Linden in Allentown and 925 West Cumberland in Allentown. Wow. You can Google. Yeah. Yeah, because those are the things mami wa pride nikeche kwa wegi yo wantie kama bodonje. Yeah. Kata kati ngwe taya wa usa chiel wa wenye joluo. Generation and generation and generation and generation.
My home in America is not an easy
thing. It's very
thing.
expensive. You can people get them, but it's not easy.
It's not easy.
No, it's not playing the park. It's very hard. Yeah.
Ki retire kuru sama bende kuru tichurumu na America. In 2 homes in America. In dala bende Kenya kandi.
And
where would you
Kenya,
like to stay? But America kwa sababu dala.
I live in both. Oh, in my home in Rongai, Nairobi. But most likely, if I retire, I'll spend most of the time here and Nyakach. America maybe once a year or twice a year. But I'll keep going.
Angoma miyo jogo mabende koroni America prosper sana mango kata jogo mabende koroni kende mentality mantini once ka the America to kora I'm going to make it. Inyalo nyiso jalo makoko sadak America for a very long time ise wuotho pinje gi mang'eny nie ka bende ji koro chalo gino mabende koro wacho ga ne joluok dongre en gino ma en adier kata angoma ka watimo to bende wanyalo yudo dongruok maber kabisa.
Ye dongruok ma joluo sani e kocha ko pick up. Chone joluo ibo ira ibo nega sani ne joluo pick up to gima mono wa dongruok mamiyo wa mondo wadhi en credit. Waonge credit, we don't have a bank. Waonge bank wa Kisumu. Waonge Onage Bank Kisumu. When we get that, we prosper. Nikech kodi ngeyo kabiro hili tuwacho ni ma Onage Bank Kisumu. Ange title Manyakati. Weka Manyakati ntie. To kaya kao title la Vigo Equity. Wewe kana kuma Equity. Ndio mama Muranga.
Wa Muranga.
Yeah, mimi ngimachando wa. Ingeni waonge kama Nyaboro maber marwa waboro fomo kuchegi ma keni wan Equity, keni wan Kure, keni familia yana. We need our bank. Mondo wachu loan aguchwa ugeroru emi Onage TV ko pick up what do Onage Bank
erokamano what do Onage Bank
where you we have the name now kaito kata chake managi 10 million dogo
nitire sako moroka mabende koro nendo ligirwa saka keni sewinje mabende kelo juluo kamara chia mano kara gibote marketing maber kabisa winje ko kamano to kawati kwada ka utul maken monda mini ketangeni mbaka to ngeny wanyalo tiyo kata secha park ka ko beche to ko kawa chako lakini wabo nuwa bange ada ka utul maken mondo mondo wachane wachin mugi kachel koda duwa mabende kono chondo machalo koda kamandie
wale uru to wa promote biashara mekwa nyithindo wa mwandiko kwa hiyo wantie hotel kaendi wayawe in 1st of July fully operational rooms and everything wabo duaji mondo beauty wabo ndiko ji tugima mondo watema yenya mondo wa lost our credit yotendwa. Please, you guys who are in the leadership, we have had enough of politics. Now let's have enough of wealth. You leaders, bring us together, not politically, but financially. So that we lost our base when we borrow from our pot. Otherwise, I welcome you all to the boss. And if you come when I'm here, you get 2 free beers until I go back to the US on Sunday. Thank you, sir.
Winyo ni kibro the Bows Hotel Candy koponi papa pod ne candy tedi dokacha 2 free beers nyako wuogi odogi ama dongo wacho komanda
and you can come drink and go those 2 without paying.
Kwa kamana katul makende magonero kamana udunga inya kumi bedo kodwa kende miwa mbaka nini kechi mbaka machalo koda kamandie mbaka mabende kuro kelo geno ni kelo puonyi maber kabisa kelo puonyi kichi kene yande jok moko mane owe school study 7 form 1 form 2 form 3 kala form 4 mo fail they went they lose hope and most of them are in poverty. But I'm telling you, you guys wake up. I'm part of you. Thank you. Ko kamano nya koro magajwa ka utul maken magoniro kamano maduonga inya kumkete chendo mara segana mara kama bende nwan konde ka chel ko jatelo medo ni Oguche Benbo ka chendo machalo koda kamano timi hotel maduongno ma the Bows.
Na the Bows, yeah.
Hotel mabende wanyisi ni kibiro kande kata chakre kinto 2 beers free. En hotel mabende yudore kacha Riat around about Mariat Airport kanyo te idha malo nyaka we got kama miwa chwat kache
machini GSOS.
Machini GSOS. Bimondi madh bia mari ariyo.
To kata kai biro rooms benitiere. Wanya mi proper discount. Samedi watimo birthday, one get very good field. Kedi watimo baby shower. Kedi watimo wedding. All are welcome.
Chimo be met maratari.
To nyithindo chimo for free while I'm still around. Okay guys, thank you for coming.
Asante sana.
Ineno Chuny Onage TV. Chuny Onage TV. Adundo Jaluo.